Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. As I told you that we will talk about the techniques used in disaster risk reduction in the next video. So this is the video that I will tell about the techniques used in disaster management and the technology. The application of technologies are more vital and need to be more creative in the disaster phase. The P of the disaster: prevention, mitigation, and preparedness. Then the disaster are phases: response and recovery. So the next one is the database management system, as known as DBMS, is a computer-based system that is used to store, manipulate, and retrieve data. In any BDMS, there are three types of data models and used to store the retrieve recover data, namely hierarchical network and relational models. While the words store and retrieve associated with BDMS are well understood, and the word manipulation of data means adding new data, deleting unwanted data, and the number C is modifying the data. Supports a data access manipulation language. The most widely used data access the language for RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, is like SQL, Structured Query Language, and software. Microsoft Access, the Microsoft, and Open Office Base, and IBM, and others. And there are so functions that supports DBMS are support for large amount of data sharing, and concerning and looking data security. For the next one is that I will tell you about the management information system, which is known as MIS, would have to cater to the following types of information: planning information. Certain standards, norms, and specifications are used in planning and any activity. Control information: reporting the status of an activity through a feedback mechanism is called controlling information. So the other one is knowledge information, collection of information through the library records and the research studies. So the research studies and the functional and operational information, and also known as the organization information. Okay, so when the information is used in the operation of a business is called functional operational information. The database information, when the information has multiple use and application, is called database information. Information network, it is used for hazard mapping and also vulnerability assessment. It can be a very vital component in the disaster preparedness plan. The vulnerability atlas contains the following information for the state and the union territory of India and other countries: seismic hazard map, cyclone and wind hazard map. Okay, flood prone area map, and housing stock vulnerability for the table each district. In disaster management, there are many technologies and used in different countries with different disaster that comes naturally or man-made, like man-made disaster like bomb blasting, etc. And the natural disasters are earthquake and a volcano eruption, and also is flood. That in this video we talked about the management information system, knowledge information system. So we will talk about the decision support system in the next video.